Andaling tanggapin ng music natin. And we just want to share that to the world.
Magandang balita para sa Filipino music fans sa Toronto dahil ang Mist Music Festival parating na sa Hunyo. 2 araw na music fest. Tampok ang 18 kilalang Pinoy artists, kabilang ang Filipino-American rapper and singer na si Easy Mill. At ang Filipino singer-songwriter na si Arthur Neri.
Ang Mist Music Festival, unang-unang ibig sabihin ng Mist Music Festival, ang Mist is music is soul therapy. Yeah, kasi alam naman natin na tayo mga Pilipino, we are healers, di ba? Magaling tayong nurse, magaling tayong mag-alaga. And one thing na hindi nila paalam ng buong Canada, that we are really great singers.
Bukod sa performances, may iba pang mga pakulo sa weekend event.
We will have a Porsche display here of about 15 cars. We'll have an exotic car display too. This is good for Filipinos because they can have selfies. We're going to have one Lamborghini here, a Ferrari.
Ang Mist Music Festival, hatid ng Philippine-Canadian Music and Film Festival. Isasabay ang Music Fest sa gabi ng Toronto Fiesta Extravaganza, kaya 2-in-1 celebrations para sa buong pamilya.
We expect around mga 5,000 per day. Right?
Yeah,
so,
5 to 7 is what we are expecting.
Fiesta, di ba?
Sa atin nanggaling yung mga fiesta concept eh. The food, you know, the dancing, the singing, that's a fiesta concept. We know that. We know that every province in the Philippines celebrates that.
Parking lot man ito ng isang subway station ngayon. Tiniyak ng organizers na may ipagmamalaki ito ng mga dadalo at babalik-balikan sa 2025.
We have a great team, right?
Yeah.
So most of us came really from music industry back in the Philippines. Most of us came from Viva Records. That's why we created this, because yung passion namin for music back in the Philippines, right? Since nandito na kami, so we feel that it's our duty, right? So to show people na kaya natin to.
It's about time that the Filipino deserves something that's world class na show and all that.
Umulan man o umaraw, tuloy na tuloy pa rin daw po ang Mist Music Festival. Inaanyayahan naman ng grupo na bumisita at ipagdiwang ang musikang Pilipino dito sa Shepherd Street West at Allen Road sa June 22 at June 23. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.